Today, I am reviewing the Anker Soundcore Q20i. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. To start, the absolute headline feature of the Soundcore Q20i is the hybrid active noise cancellation. In this price tier, finding effective active noise cancellation is usually a massive gamble, but Anker has implemented a very clever hardware layout here. These headphones utilize 2 internal microphones and 2 external microphones working in tandem. This 4-microphone setup continuously scans your environment to detect external noise and ambient sounds. According to the engineering specs, it is capable of reducing up to 90% of low-frequency ambient sounds. In real-world testing, this proves to be an absolute lifesaver for commuters and office workers. When you slip these on and activate the noise cancellation, the constant, draining drone of train engines, bus motors, low airplane hums, and building ventilation systems simply fades away into a quiet whisper. While it will not completely erase high-pitched erratic sounds like sharp human speech or loud keyboard clacking in a dead-silent room, it suppresses them so effectively that once you start playing your music, the outside world completely vanishes. It gives you an isolated, distraction-free bubble that is incredibly rare to find at this price point. Now let us talk about the audio performance and how these headphones actually sound when you play your favorite tracks. Soundcore has equipped the Q20i with oversized 40mm dynamic drivers. Out of the box, the sound profile is tailored for people who love an energetic, warm, and highly engaging audio experience. The bass response is incredibly prominent and punchy, thanks in large part to Soundcore's proprietary BassUp technology. If you listen to a lot of electronic dance music, hip-hop, pop, or modern rock, you're going to love the deep, thumping low-end extension that these drivers deliver. It gives the music a physical, rich presence that makes traveling or commuting a lot more fun. However, if you are a critical listener or an audiophile who prefers a perfectly flat, clinical, or analytical soundstage, you might find the default tuning a bit too bass-heavy or warm. Fortunately, that is where the Soundcore companion application completely saves the day. By downloading the app, you gain access to a fully customizable equalizer along with 22 professionally tuned audio presets. If you find the bass too overwhelming for acoustic tracks, folk music, or podcasts, you can simply switch the profile to a cleaner preset or manually adjust the frequency sliders yourself to achieve a balanced, crisp sound that perfectly matches your exact preferences. Another huge bonus for audio quality is that these headphones are officially compatible with certified high-resolution audio. To experience this heightened level of detail, clarity, and texture, all you need to do is plug them in using the included AUX cable, which unlocks the full potential of the dynamic drivers for a premium wired listening experience when you are gaming or relaxing at home. Beyond sound and noise cancellation, the battery life on the Soundcore Q20i is nothing short of legendary, making them a dream configuration for frequent travelers. When you have the hybrid active noise cancellation fully engaged, you get a massive 40 hours of continuous wireless playback on a single charge. If you turn the noise cancellation off and run the headphones in normal mode, that battery life stretches to a mind-blowing 60 hours. For the average daily commuter or student, this means you can easily go 2, 3, or even 4 weeks without ever having to think about finding a charging brick or plugging into a USB-C port. And if you ever do find yourself running completely on empty right before you need to walk out the door, the fast charging capability has you covered. Plugging the headphones in for just 5 short minutes restores a full 4 hours of extra music playback, which is more than enough to get you through a full day of daily commuting or casual office listening. Another massive quality of life feature built into this model is the dual-device multi-point connection system. Running on a highly stable Bluetooth 5.0 protocol, the Q20i can connect to 2 independent devices simultaneously. For example, you can have them actively paired to both your work laptop and your personal smartphone at the very same time. If you are sitting at your desk watching a video or participating in a virtual video meeting on your laptop, and your smartphone suddenly rings with an important phone call, the headphones will seamlessly and instantly switch the audio feed over to your phone so you can take the call without having to fumble through Bluetooth settings menus or manually disconnect from one device to pair with another. Once you hang up, the audio intelligently routes right back to your computer. It is a highly smooth, efficient process that works beautifully for remote workers and multitaskers alike. Comfort and usability are also excellent. The over-ear design features thick, memory foam ear cushions wrapped in soft faux leather, combined with a padded, adjustable headband that distributes pressure evenly across your head. They are lightweight enough to wear for a full 8-hour workday without creating uncomfortable pressure points or trapping an excessive amount of heat around your ears, and the low clamping force makes them very friendly for users who wear glasses. The ear cups also fold completely flat, making them highly portable and easy to pack away into a backpack or carry-on bag when you are on the move. When you do need to interact with the real world, you do not even have to take the headphones off. By pressing the dedicated button, you can instantly switch from active noise cancellation to transparency mode. This mode uses the external microphones to naturally pass ambient sounds directly into your ears, allowing you to hear loud transportation announcements, safely cross busy city streets, or have a quick conversation with a coworker while keeping your headphones securely on your head. To wrap it all up, the Soundcore by Anker Q20i represents an absolute masterclass in budget audio value. It delivers premium features like robust hybrid active noise cancellation, a massive 40 to 60-hour battery life, intelligent dual-device connectivity, and full app-based equalization that you would normally expect to find on headphones costing 3 or 4 times as much. If you are looking to secure a brilliant, future-proof upgrade for your daily commute, office productivity, or casual travel setup during this major shopping event, these headphones stand out as a premier choice that punches far above its weight class.